This 2027 Keystone Montana High Country 391 terabytes is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Buford, Georgia, 30519 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Atlanta. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 8 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, rear bath, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.